Hey guys, it's Matt here from the Bull Call, and today we're going to take a look at Cciv like we always do. So yeah, let's get right into the video. But before we get into the video, guys, if you guys can just go quickly take 10 seconds out of your day, go down below, click that like and subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest posts. That would be wonderful. So let's get right back into the video. Alright, so let's pull up the 4-hour charts as we always do. But before we get into the actual charts itself, I just want to let you guys know that the vote has officially ended by the time this video will come out. Currently, it is 11:49 on the 21st. Technically, there's 10 minutes left to, vote for any shareholders as of right now. I mean, now it's 11:50. Obviously, the time's running very short, very quickly. But pretty much, they'll have an idea if the merger's going through or if it doesn't. Obviously, I'll cover it once we know. By tomorrow I think we should know, and I will post a video as soon as I can letting you guys know that either the vote passed or it didn't. I don't see why it wouldn't pass, because any shareholder, no matter how many shares you own, you can own one share and you still have a say in this merger, which I find very, very cool and very, power of the people, or power to the people, as GameStop's, saying is. Alright, so let's get into the charts, and this is not great, alright? This is not great for us. Midday, if we take a look at the 5-minute charts, I don't really feel like opening up Webull. We had a nice little sell-off, almost. I mean, we had a dump down to 22.71. We had a nice little recovery back, all the way back up about $1. I mean, this is as volatile as one candle gets. This was crazy. Obviously, it kind of just fell off by the end of the day, but we had a volatile day. I actually want to pull up the percentage on how much we actually lost. I mean, I don't know why on Google it only shows about this much, but I think it bounced really quickly. But yeah, I mean, either way, we still lost about 3.5% on the day, which is not great when you think about it, when we're just about to merge and this kind of stuff. And I mean, this is not great. And obviously you could see that red candle absolutely blew us out of this bullish trend upwards that we wanted to see. The only thing I can think of is if it's trying to reclaim this inverse head and shoulders, but it's not that, it's not made right. That's the only problem I'm having here. Is if you kept this inverse head and shoulders, right, and then I'm just going to make it down here just so we don't get it confused with the bullish uptrend. Because then if you do this, and then a bounce here, no, I mean, it could still be trying to form this inverse head and shoulders like I was talking about in one of my later videos. There's still a chance. We'll keep this open and just in mind, but I don't think that this is really the case anymore. I was really thinking it would just take off this bullish trend line, because it definitely was. It hit here, then it kept on hitting. It hit. We started it down here. It hit, moved over. It was good in the morning. And then all of a sudden you had this major sell-off candle that blew right down through it. But I mean, the inverse head and shoulders is not perfect at all. I mean, you can keep moving this thing to like here, and it could take days for these moves to really play out. But I mean, as of right now, we have to just keep watching it. I mean, I think that this was a good buyer. I mean, we are still, not in a terrible position at all. I mean, we literally just lost. What was it, yesterday's gains? Yeah, we lost, on the 20th, we lost the 20th gains, which was about, only like the second half of the day's gains. So, I mean, in like almost half of it. It's not really that bad at all. We only lost about $1 per share. I mean, we're really actually okay on the stock right now. It's just, we would have liked to see that bullish trend upwards continue and see it really just take off today. We wanted to keep seeing this upward movement for the week. I mean, sure, is it great to come back down a little bit so we actually can see another leg higher? That's always great. But I think that as long as the vote passes, which like I've said multiple times, I don't know why it wouldn't, we should be totally fine to go on through with, you know, CCIV, or what will be LCID on Monday or Friday. You know, a real company and a real stock that I think has potential to go, you know, to $200 in 5 years. But yeah, I mean, that it really has the potential to do a lot in, you know, the next 5 years, and we'll see where this road takes us. And there's going to be a lot of ups and downs and a lot of volatile days. It's just the nature of the EV space right now and in general. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.